I'm a week and a half postpartum and your girl been looking a little crazy walking around this house, but we're gonna get that together today. Today we are doing some 2-strand twists. They're gonna look very natural and I'm adding hair for the first time. Today's video is sponsored by YWigs. They sent me 4 bundles of their 16-inch afro bulk hair. This hair is human hair. I usually start off by soaking my hair. I use vinegar and shampoo and I just let it sit for at least like 10-15 minutes. This is what the hair looks like after being washed and air dried. This hair is super soft, y'all. Like, it's really soft, it's really full. So the night before, I went ahead and pre-parted my hair so that it could be super easy process. I did 7 rows from the middle part down to my ear, and I did 4 rows from my ear down to my nape. The only product I used for this entire style was mousse. So I started off each twist as a braid, and then once I braided down a few times, I went ahead and added in my bulk hair. And twist it all the way down. You'll see me twisting each piece as I twist. I did that for the first portion of the twist, and then eventually just free twisted it all the way down. Honestly, y'all, I was looking at these twists in shock because they look so natural. I can't wait to see how they look when they get older and as I wash them. If y'all want to see a video of how I maintain these twists, please let me know. Or a styling video, I can do either one. These look super cute fresh, but I really prefer my twists when they get really kind of like fuzzy and old looking. So we'll see how it looks. This style took me probably about 4 hours. I actually only ended up using 1 bundle and literally like a couple of pieces from another bundle. So not even 1.5 bundles, and it looked really natural, really full. But it turned out super, super, super cute. I would 100% recommend this hair if you are looking for something to add a little bit of fullness or even a little bit of length to your 2-strand twist. So y'all check out my description box if you're interested in this hair. I will leave it down below. And comment down below what you want to see next time. I'll see you guys in the next video.